Hi everyone, my name is Jordan Yankovich, and welcome to my course, Coding in AWS Cloud9 IDE. I'm an IT consultant and software engineer based in Dallas, Texas. Cloud9 is a cloud-based integrated development environment native to the AWS ecosystem. In this course, we are going to learn how to leverage Cloud9 to read, write, and debug code with cutting-edge functionality directly in a browser. Some of the major topics we will cover include creating Cloud9 environments in AWS, how to read, write, and debug application code directly in Cloud9, providing Cloud9 access and collaborating with other team members in real time, and Cloud9 integrations with other AWS services. By the end of this course, you'll know how to use Cloud9 for cloud-based software development and how to use Cloud9 features to optimize software development processes. Before beginning in this course, you should have some general programming and cloud knowledge to fully understand and grasp the concepts covered. I hope you'll join me on this journey to learn Cloud9 with the Coding in Cloud9 IDE course here at Pluralsight.